how to see your zip code on Cash App. So if you want to see your zip code on Cash App, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is open up your Cash App, make sure you have installed it, and just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in on your Cash App account, on the top right hand side you will find your profile icon. So all you have to do is tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon under account and settings, you will find an option that says personal. So all you have to do is go to personal account and settings, and once you've done that, from there you will be able to see your zip code on Cash App. So I hope this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.